It seems that confusing others with your silence works wonders. Often, the challenge we face as humans is knowing when to hold back words that aren't yet ready to be expressed. We all seem to struggle with this, and there are many reasons why. Sometimes it's because we want others to see that we are someone of value, someone who matters. We attempt to make ourselves appear more important, sometimes by putting others down, even if it means gaining respect through aggressive means, seeking a godlike reverence from those around us. We're quick to voice our opinions, eager to stake a claim and be seen as important too. But in doing so, we often end up saying more than we should. Have you ever paused to consider the power of silence? Have you ever wondered why you were given a brain to think and two lips to speak? The reason is simple: to discern when to speak and when to remain quiet. It's about understanding the right moments to let your words be heard and recognizing when to stay silent, even if the world around you pressures you to speak. Life can be complex and demanding, often throwing us off course, leaving little room for logic. While you can't control most situations, you do have control over your own actions. Focus more on yourself than on others, and think deeply before you speak. Saying too much can create opportunities for others to hurt you with your own words, but being mysterious makes people work harder to be your friend. You don't want to hand anyone ammunition to attack you. Stay still in your thoughts and conversations, leaving others to wonder about you. When you say nothing, they will react. They'll approach you when you least expect it. Stay calm, stay silent. You aren't doing them a favor, you're doing yourself one. When people hear nothing from you, they're left to think about you in ways that could unsettle them. You become the person who causes them to doubt themselves. Your silence breaks their confidence and disrupts their thoughts. They'll be at a loss, unsure of how to reach you, because you never gave them a reason to. It's like someone attending a party with friends, but choosing not to dance. No one will mock their moves because they didn't dance at all. People will try to define you, but only because you never provided them with the chance. Instead of constantly proving why you're right and others are wrong, why not simply stay quiet and continue focusing on your own dreams? Keep in mind that your goals are far greater than the circumstances around you. We've all heard the saying, silence is the best response to a fool. The people around you don't need to be proven as fools, because the real goal of your journey is for you. Why not keep them guessing by staying silent? Let them ponder your every move while you stay dedicated to your ambitions. Remember, nobody is you, and that's where the difference lies. The moment you realize that no one truly knows you is the moment you understand that trying to convince others about who you are isn't necessary. You don't need to tell them who you are. Let them discover it for themselves. Don't hand them the narrative they seek. Let them play the guessing game. You don't have to react to anything they say, especially if it's meant to provoke a negative response. Instead, leave them in silence, allowing your actions to speak for you. Smile and leave them puzzled by your decision to say nothing. All you need to do is listen. Let them search for your voice. Let them struggle to figure you out. What's more enjoyable than offering people little to no insight into who you truly are, while you continue living life on your own terms? Thanks for watching, and I hope your day is full of inspiration.